Hi, I'm Kate MacKay, Associate Film Curator here at the Berkeley Art Museum and Pacific Film Archive, and I'm delighted to welcome you to BAMPFA's Watch From Home presentation of Ursula von Rydingsvard, Into Her Own. Von Rydingsvard has been creating magnificent sculpture for decades, and her work is represented in the permanent collections of more than 30 museums, and her commissioned pieces are on permanent display at locations across the country. Here in the Bay Area, her work can be found at the Oliver Ranch in Sonoma, the grounds of Stanford University, and at San Francisco Airport. Daniel Traub's documentary is a fascinating look at the artist at work, highlighting her process and the collaboration involved in executing her massive sculptures, while also revealing details of her biography, her childhood memories of displaced person camps in Germany, connecting with her Polish heritage, and finding her calling as an artist in New York City in the 1970s. Traub takes us behind the scenes to von Rydingsvard's studio and to the installation sites, allowing us to witness the creation of her works. The intersection of the monumental works and the detailed, meticulous, and labor-intensive attention to every inch of the surface of the works is truly remarkable. And I really enjoyed watching how each piece is created. After viewing, you might want to check out BAMPFA's YouTube page and watch our live stream conversation and Q&A with von Rydingsvard, director Daniel Traub, and Bay Area collector Stephen Oliver, who commissioned one of von Rydingsvard's first monumental works, Iggy's Pride, constructed between 1990 and 1991. Thank you for visiting BAMPFA Online, and I look forward to seeing you back in the galleries and the Barbara Osher Theater when we are able to safely reopen. In the meantime, please check out our BAMPFA Watch From Home offerings via bampfa.org, and I hope you find a lot to see there. Thanks very much.